Okay, today is Saturday, March 1st, day 26 from when they started digging up the ground. So let's do a quick tour. If anyone wants to learn about any type of real estate investing, there's a link at the bottom of this YouTube video. So let's see what's going on. So there hasn't been too much snow or rain, so that's good. Still don't know what this pipe is. Maybe it's electric. Yeah, this black pipe, I don't know what it is. Probably electric. I spoke with the project manager from Clayton, and what I have to do now is open an account with Aqua, which is the water provider, and with the township. The township is the sewer line provider. So I thought he should have told me that earlier so that I could have started working on that, but who knows? They are the specialists, so although I would have loved to know that earlier. So this coming week I'm going to be submitting my application to the water line connection company and to the sewer line connection company. I told you that we are going to be pulling it from main streets down there, somewhere in the front here. But it's taking shape. So somebody wanted to know what is the process of building, buying land and building.